Hey there, busy professionals. We know how demanding your work life can be with deadlines looming and emails piling up. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. Feeling the heat from all sides, I get it. The constant pressure can make it seem like there is no escape. Stress is like an unwanted coworker that just won't leave you alone. But guess what? You don't have to let it control your life. You can manage it naturally. There are simple, effective ways to reduce stress without relying on medication. Stick around for the next 3 minutes, and I will show you how these tips are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. First up, mindfulness and meditation. These are not just buzzwords. They are powerful tools for mental health. Research shows that mindfulness practices like meditation can significantly reduce cortisol levels, that is your body's main stress hormone. Lower cortisol means less stress. Imagine starting your day with just 10 minutes of deep breathing and focusing on the present moment. It's a small investment of time with big returns. You will find yourself feeling more relaxed and ready to tackle the day. Your productivity will improve and you will feel more in control. It's like giving your brain a mini vacation. Now let's talk supplements. Ever heard of ashwagandha? This ancient herb is a game changer. This powerful adaptogen has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine. It's known for its ability to help the body adapt to stress. It helps lower cortisol levels and supports overall stress resilience. Taking ashwagandha can make you feel more balanced and less reactive to stress. Think of it as a natural stress shield. It's like having an invisible armor that protects you from the daily grind. A recent study even showed that ashwagandha can reduce stress and anxiety by up to 44%. Pretty impressive, right? It's a natural way to enhance your well-being. Next on the list is L-Theanine. This amino acid is found in green tea and is known for its calming effects. Found in green tea, L-Theanine promotes relaxation without making you drowsy. It's perfect for maintaining mental clarity during those hectic workdays. During those hectic workdays, you will be able to stay focused and calm even when things get chaotic. When you are calm and focused, handling stressful situations becomes a breeze. You will find that you can manage your workload more effectively. Plus, it pairs nicely with a cup of green tea, a win-win. So here is the takeaway. These natural methods can make a big difference. Incorporate mindfulness practices like meditation into your daily routine. Even a few minutes a day can have a profound impact. Consider natural adaptogens like ashwagandha and supplements like L-Theanine to help manage stress. They are safe and effective. These small changes can lead to big improvements in your mental well-being. You will feel more at peace and better equipped to handle life's challenges. Remember, managing stress is a journey, not a sprint. It takes time and consistency, but the results are worth it. Start today and you will notice a difference over time. Thanks for watching. Your journey to a stress-free life begins now. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. We're here to support you every step of the way. Stay calm, stay focused, and take care. Remember, you have the power to manage stress naturally and live a more balanced life.